Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are watching Hafiz Quran Academy. Inshallah ta'ala, in this class we are going to start in Noorani Qaida properly. So before starting Noorani Qaida, I just want you to learn. So let's start our class. Repeat after me. Ta'uz. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. تسمية. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In this class, I want to teach you the proper pronunciation of Ta'uz and Tasmiyah. So I will read first. You have to read after me and keep the practicing. Let's start now. So the first letter is Hamza. So we say this Hamza. A. This is the first letter Hamza, and we say A. After the Hamza we have a letter Ain, and we say A'u. And after the Ain letter we have Waw, and this is the Waw Madda, and which we learn here. Whenever vowel comes with sukoon sign and if there is a dhamma sign before sukoon sign, and that time we learn 1 second here, and we say A'u. Repeat after me. A'u. Hamza sound comes from the bottom of the throat, and Ain sound comes from the middle of the throat. So make different sound. A'u, 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 a'udu, a'udu, a'udu. So you do not blow up. Only you have to learn. Repeat after me. A'udu, a'udu. Next letter is Zal. You have to read softly. Zal, like by your tip from the tongue touching on the edges of front 2 teeth, right? So that's why we say the soft sound of Zal as we say A'udhu, A'udhu, A'udhu. We cannot say A'udhu, A'udhu. Not say like this. Say A'udhu, A'udhu. And the next one is Billahi, Billahi. Repeat after me. Billahi, Billahi. A'udhu billahi, A'udhu billahi. As you see, before the name of Allah, if kasra comes, then we read the name of Allah in light sound, as we say Billahi. As you see, there is a standing fatha on it, and we have to 1 second long it like this. Billahi, Billahi. And there is near it again Ha. So read Ha sound as you learn already in Quranic lesson. Billahi. Instead of, do not see E. This is He. Billahi, Billahi. Not read like this. Billahi, Billahi not. This is not correct. Read Billahi, Billahi. Some people say Billahi. This is correct. Incorrect. This is not correct. The correct one is Billahi. Is Hamza sound, that is wrong, because the people say quickly, so that's why they make mistakes. So make sure when you read, so you have to read each letter sound separately. Billahi, Billahi. A'udhu billahi, A'udhu billahi. Read after me. A'udhu billahi, A'udhu billahi, أعوذ بالله The next is minash, minash. Noon we connect with sheen, and she has the shat sign. So we say minash, and in the sheen you spread the sheen sound in your mouth as it has the, so we say minash, minash. And after that minash shay tha, minash shay tha. And here is ya leen, as it has spoon sign like minash shay tha. As you see, the ya has a spoon sign, and there is a fatha on before letter. Whenever this condition comes, there is a ya leen. Inshallah, these rules I will teach you also, and make sure to look at here carefully and understand which letters are coming and what rules are there. So we say minash shayta, minash shayta, a'udhu billahi minash shayta. After ya, here is a ta, which has a standing fatha, ta in green color, so we long it and we make, and the bold sound here like the heavy sound on minash shayta on green colors. Minash shayta, minash shayta. So we say minash shayta nir, minash shayta nir. After that we say the ra. Ra is a green color as it has a fatha sign on it. That's why, so we did bold it again. Minash shaytanir nirra, nirra, rajim, rajim. Now we say the whole together. Repeat after me. Read after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I see the whole one now, so listen carefully and you have to practice after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. And now we have to practice on tasmiyah. So we say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahi. Now when we connect ba with the seen, so seen is here, it has a hams quality. We continue, so we continue our the bread to pronounce the seen. Bismillahi. And again before the name of Allah, it has a kasra, that means, so we do not make the bold sound here. Bismillahi. That's why we say Bismillahi. So we say as a whole Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So try to practice. Read after me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 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 And now I hope you understand about the ta'uz and tasmiyah, how to pronounce it properly, and you have to practice it now. Read after me. Ta'uz. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. تسمية. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. One more time. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So make sure to read the green colors, Arabic letters bold. So let's learn Quran online, for females by females, for kids by female or males. So what we offer: 5-day classes per week, 30 minutes for kids, 20 minutes for women, and 30 minutes for the Hafiz student. We offer Tajweed, Nazra, Qaida, Noorani, Hafiz, 6 kalmas, prayer. So we have qualified Twitter, via email and WhatsApp. We take the classes. Register now at WhatsApp +92 348 1828436 1828436 1828436 +92 348 1828436. So if you want to register for the trial classes for the 3 days, register it now. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.